Welcome back to the channel, guys. And we're still working on this, trying to get the rest of this dash out, the metal part and the air box, and the steering wheel. We're gonna get all of it out in one piece. Okay, so we're working on it. Now we got to get that screw off of this steering column so we can pull that straight out. And we pull the rest of this metal part of the dash out. So let's see if we can get that screw out of there. Oh Lord, I got the wrong size. Oh Lord, I don't know if I got that one to fit that. Here's where it gets rough. Okay, let's see if we got something to fit it. That thing is pretty small. It's pretty small. It's not a half an inch. Definitely not a half an inch, so that's an unusual size. It's a 12 millimeter. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be a 12. It's going to be a 12. Yep, it's a 12. I got it on that 1/4. I hope I don't break it. Oh man, yo, I gotta get a long ratchet for this. So, Alright guys, about to start raining out here. Let's see if we can get this thing done as soon as quick as possible. About to start raining. I can feel the drips. I can feel the drips on me as we go. Let's see. Okay, we can slide this up there. Get it on there, just like so. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So now, we should be able to pop that straight up when it's time to move this thing. I'm gonna leave that screw on there, a little piece of it. When it's time for us to pop it up, I unscrew it. Cause I might lose this one. Yeah, leave that in there a little bit. Alright. That's done. We got all the wires pulled from the side, except that little piece over there. I think we got all of these. Oh, nope, we don't. Okay, so now we got that one. Thought I felt a cut coming on. You know when you can feel yourself, you can feel you're gonna bust your hands up, but you're gonna cut yourself. I literally felt that coming, but fortunately it didn't happen. That's good. Okay, so now we got everything unhooked over this side, so we are ready to go on this side. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're ready to go on this side. Everything is unhooked. So we're gonna put the new wire harness on here. I don't even know. I really don't know if this wire harness is gone or not. I'm not sure. I think it is, because if it goes through the firewall, then it got burned. But if it doesn't, and the wire from the firewall comes, the wire from the engine department comes in here, then just that portion would be burned. So, but I think I'm gonna change it anyways, because we got a different style radio that we're gonna put in here now. We got the big screen radio that's going here. Hopefully everything goes good. I don't know. Hopefully, guys. We're gonna see, but I know when we finish this car is gonna look really good in the inside. It's gonna really look good inside of here. I can tell you that. And then hard part comes engine compartment. That's the hard part. Only because, like I say, that engine control module, body control. The body control module is fine. We just got to get keys to crank it. Go by locks, call a locksmith. They can't do it, then we have to go. Then I will have to take this car to Kia, and then they will have to do it, and I don't know how much they charge. So we'll see. We will see. See that screw right there? See that screw? I think that comes, well, it don't look like it comes from the outside. One of these screws from the outside, I'm sure. It's one of them. Hooked from the outside. I don't think that one is. That look like it just need to be unscrewed. Let's see if we can get to it. See if we can get to it. See if we can get to it. Let me lift everything up here. See if we can get to it. Okay. Y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see that screw here. Hopefully. It's a screw in there. We gotta see if we can get. Let me see if I can get this up through there. Yeah, we can get it. Hopefully. Let's see. Hopefully. What is that? Look, it might be look like it might be a. Look, it still might be a 12 millimeter. Let's see. Let's see. Is that what it is? Man, I did it first, huh? Come on now. Come on now. Work with me, baby. Work with me. Trying to have a good time. Just trying to have a good time. You ain't gonna work with me. Oh Lord, you ain't gonna work with me. She ain't gonna work with me, guys. Say no, no way. Nope, I'm not gonna work with you. Guess not. Let's see. Okay, we can get that through there. Well, let's see. We get that through there, but we can't get this through there. It's just too much. It's too big. Too big, won't fit. Too big, won't fit. How in the world am I gonna get that? I don't know. Might have to get that off video, guys. I don't think I can do it from here. See if we can stick the pole through there and reach it from the other side. Let's see. There you go. There you go. Let's see if I got the right bit on that. Think I do. Turn it. Do I? I can't see it. Oh yeah. What? I didn't even had to take that off, guys. But that, no, that didn't have to come off. That's not. Oh Lord. Let's put that back on there. Thought it had to come off. It don't. Oh, well, it does have to come off, but it do got to come off. But don't gotta come off now. So I'm gonna screw it back on there barely. Yes. Oh Lord. Guys, remember this screw, because I think I'm gonna end up losing it. Let's see if I can screw it on there. Come on. Come on, you got it. Yay! It went on. Alright guys, we didn't even have to take that off, so that was a waste. Precious time. Time that we can never get back. So guys, again, this was another slow video right here. It was another, just a, I guess, probably waste you guys' time on this one. But guess what? Like, share, subscribe anyways. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Yard 2. Not 1. Yard 2. Peace.